Want to make money from writing? Here's how! Article writing isn't just for bloggers anymore. It's a great way to make money from home. Today, we're going to show you how to turn your writing skills into cash in just 3 simple steps. Step 1 is identifying your niche. What are you passionate about? Is it health, technology, business, or lifestyle? Knowing your niche helps you target specific clients or platforms that pay well for your writing. Find your niche. Pick a topic you're interested in and comfortable writing about. The more knowledgeable and passionate you are, the easier it will be to write engaging articles that your audience will love. Step 2, where to find work. Step 2 is finding paying opportunities. There are many platforms where you can find clients looking for articles, like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Sign up on these platforms, create a professional profile, and start bidding on writing jobs. You can also look for content mills or freelance websites like iWriter or TextBroker, which pay for every article you write. Take time to craft your proposals. They should show your expertise, why you're the right fit for the job, and any relevant samples. Step 3, write quality content. Write quality content. Whether it's for a blog, a website, or an online magazine, your writing needs to be top-notch. Proofread your work, make sure it's informative, and avoid fluff. Research, write, edit. Research your topic thoroughly. Offer value to your reader and always meet deadlines. High-quality writing will help you get repeat clients and build a solid reputation in the writing community. Step 4, bonus tip, build your portfolio. Bonus tip, build your portfolio. As you gain experience, create a website or online portfolio showcasing your best work. This makes you more attractive to potential clients who want to see your writing style before hiring you. So there you have it. Find your niche, find paying clients, and write great content. It's all about consistency and building your reputation. Keep learning, keep improving, and soon you'll be making money as a professional article writer. Ready to get started? Check out the links in the description for more tips on freelance writing. Subscribe for more tips on making money online.